Unleash your inner true crime storyteller with the power of AI image generation. Today, we're diving into how to craft visually stunning crime story videos using Midjourney, transforming your narratives into gripping visual experiences. First, let's conceptualize your scene. Think about the mood, the era, and the key elements of your crime story. This might be a classic noir detective in a rain-slick city or a modern investigation in a sterile laboratory. Now, we translate these ideas into descriptive prompts for Midjourney. Be specific with your keywords. For instance, a close-up of a shadowy figure lurking in a dimly lit doorway. Cinematic lighting, high detail, 4K. To create storyboards, describe each shot individually. Think about camera angles and composition. A wide shot looking down on a deserted warehouse interior. Dust motes in the air. Sense of foreboding. Generate multiple variations to get the perfect visual for each panel. These will serve as the blueprints for your video's narrative flow. For animation and special effects, get creative with your prompts. You can request a glitching holographic projection, a suspect, or a dramatic car chase scene. Low angle, motion blur, neon glow. Experiment with styles like cyberpunk, futuristic, or vintage documentary to imbue your crime stories with unique visual flair. By stringing these AI-generated images together, you can create dynamic sequences and compelling visuals that will leave your audience on the edge of their seats. Midjourney empowers you to bring the most dramatic crime narratives to life with striking imagery and impactful scenes, all through the magic of AI.